Hey guys, so check it out. The house is beginning to be organized chaos. See that? It's going to be a photograph that I'm going to decoupage onto there. I started painting it. And this door, see that door? We took it off of that closet. You see the blue. And we're going to take this one down because it really helps to keep the house cool. And I'm going to put hang this over it so that there's plenty of holes for the air to come out, because it just makes the house a lot cooler. And then, so that door that I showed you, the goal is that I want to put it at counter height. And we got 2 brackets, shelf brackets, that hopefully will fit that. Although I really wanted to get something for here, but we'll just unscrew it if I want to change it, but I'm just going to see how it goes there. And that way I have some storage that I'll have underneath. That'll be perfect. And then, this is what you want to see. This is good chaos. This isn't schlepping stuff that I bought. This is good chaos. This is me pulling stuff out for all my projects that I'm working on when I get really inspired. So this, I have been trying to figure out what I was going to do with this for the longest time. But I'm sure you guys know about the trick of just taking stuff from a calendar. So, excuse me, it's going to basically look like that once I get that decoupaged. This has been the bane of my existence, this tray. I had something in it and then I ruined it. And it's a good tray, and I'm just not willing to get rid of it. So I'm going to take that one also from the same calendar, and so I'm going to attach it. It's always good to make sure you have the text clear. I hate it. I don't like it when it's covered. I want to be for people to see it. So yeah, so anyway, hopefully that's going to come out okay. And what else do I have? See that? That might also go in that collage that I'm working on the cabinet. So this is good. This is how I do it. Usually it's like I find a corner when I find a little energy, and then I find a little corner, and then I just go to town. Got stuff all over the place. There's my towel. See? This is good. We like this kind of organized chaos. In the bathroom, it's crazy too. It's like girl stuff and then paint.